Hello friends, good evening. Today friends, I would like to talk to you about one grand company, I call it. This is Astra Micro. Now this Astra Micro basically is a company which is giving its products or which is manufacturing its products for the telephone operations in the defense sector. Now the results of this company is very good, for the last couple of quarters. However, I would like to make one statement here, that is that in 3 months time, twice it will give roughly about 15 to 20%, because it is not an everyday affair. So actually you have to be very careful that the trader needs to be from the cross to cross only. This actually share has to be traded. So friends, let us see about this Astra Microwave. This stock has already today gone by about say 10-15%, right? Say today it was here from 81 to 94 it has gone, but it's actually the maximum price actually was here, that was 107 rupees 70 NP. And see, the results of this are on 24th of June. And my presumption is, friends, that this stock actually will definitely cross this. The earlier one, the highest point was 107 rupees. And let's see actually what exactly check little facts about this. First of all, this is in the steep up range. You can see it is in the uptrend. Then, friends, where it had given actually the buying signal. If you ask me, the buying signal actually this had given somewhere around here, that is buying signal was it had given buying signal at 65 and it is 94. That means almost 50% it is already up. Nevertheless, friends, in this, one thing is definitely going to happen, that by the time it reaches by the time 24th of June, I am very sure about it that it will cross 110. Nevertheless, our standard understanding is that we play cross to cross. So actually the moment it is crossed, the trader actually needs to come out, because after that the stock will lose its strength. Now we see here actually, in this the RSI is already 70.39, and trader has to be careful. Nevertheless, because the results are in offing, therefore actually we can play, but nevertheless whenever there is a cross we need to come out. And you can see here the opening of this signal line and the MACD line. This is quite sharp up. Even this hexagram also is up. There is a scope to go up. So my only thing is, the way I understand it, that actually I have made a purchase today at 83 rupees 59 paisa. It has already gone to about 95 rupees. Friends, I will not sell it till I see this cross, and from 95 today the closing is at 89.95. I think another 10-15 rupees is definitely there, but the moment there is a cross you can always come out of this. Now there is one Mr. S. Deepak, he has asked me about Ingersoll Rand. So friends, as far as this Ingersoll Rand is concerned, you can see here this is in the uptrend. Fine. But then this is not the share, which is where the movement is pretty high, and or the volatility is too good, because if you want to remain in the trading stocks, then of course it is. I think the volatility is not too much, and now this mouth also is going to close here. Now if you see the volumes are less. This is closing, so possibly is that there is a chance for it to fall, and so also this MACD also is not telling anything, neither the green this hexagram in this. Now supposing tomorrow what happens, because this is in the uptrend, if tomorrow the market is good, then in this case friends, what will happen is that this stock will face a big resistance around this price, that means around 640. Today, the price is 636, another about 4-5 rupees on the closing basis. Now, this actually is a very strong resistance here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times, from there it has come down. If it crosses this, then there is a chance that the next level where it can go will be somewhere around this. But it is, again I say, that this stock, as a matter of fact, somehow this machinery and these tools, which is compressors, etc., which it is manufacturing, actually Symphony is much better choice than this. Mr. Deepak, the next stock you have asked is about IRCTC. In IRCTC, the stock is actually moving in the channel, but the moment the stock crosses say 1550 or 1560, then the next target will be 715. And my opinion at present is that mouth of these moving averages are not showing; they are flat actually. Volume is less, and it has fallen today. Maybe it will just fall to about say 1411. And then may pick up, but basically the stock actually is very good. There is no two opinion about that. This is a government stock, which is a monopoly stock. As far as Bharat Rasayan is concerned, friends, now see this stock actually both the moving averages are up. Here it is a double top. It has already given, I think, and the stock also is in the uptrend. Now, friends, my own opinion is that, well, tomorrow if the market is good, it might go, and it can go conveniently up to 7,400 rupees. I think so it can go, because fundamentally the stock is actually very good. Although, this is not, MACD is not too much in the favor, but still the cross has not come here, and this also, it's okay, like, although there is a little decline in it, because today actually it has fallen a bit. So friends, Mr. Deepak, even if it falls down, so I think it can fall down only up to this level, nothing more than that. So you are very safe on this. It can fall down to 7072, and after 7072, the worst case is 6800. It will not happen. So let us presume that on the day end basis, EOD charts, this can be 7072 approximately somewhere, but it has full chances of going up. That is my own opinion about it. It is in the uptrend. Then there is one Mr. Ashish Srivastav, he has asked about Glenmark. Mr. Srivastav, actually I am not too fan of these kind of companies, but that is my personal opinion about this Glenmark, Sun Pharma and all that, because there is a perpetual problem with these companies is that this US FDA, because they are exporting majorly to US FDA, therefore this becomes very difficult for this company. Time and again the share is actually coming down. However, analyzing the share, what is the present position of this is that, see, it is showing a somewhere around here, that means 393 approximately, it is showing some sort of resistance. It has already given a double top, and this the moving averages are also showing that there may be a upper cross and it might fall down. See how long it it has actually accumulated here so much. This is for this sort of a I mean formation of this kind of rectangles is really not good, and this actually is falling down. This actually, so my own feeling is that there are other much better stocks like Divi's Lab, which are very vibrant stocks. Fine, Ajanta Pharma is a very vibrant stock. Aurobindo Pharma is a very vibrant stock where they do not have this kind of problem with the US FDA. So I am not too sure about this because there are a lot of hiccups in this. So that is my opinion about this stock. As far as the company is concerned, I mean nobody has capacity to say the company is bad. So Mr. Srivastav, that is about it. I think this Glenmark, you should select a better company like Aurobindo Pharma. That will be much better, or it is the Divi's Lab, not these kind of companies. So friends, if you like the video, then please press the like button, subscribe my channel, at the same time join me on the Facebook as well. Friends, thank you very much and have a nice day.